Welcome back to DeeBugging, the series where we troubleshoot common tech problems together. Today's issue: your app isn't working. Maybe it's freezing. Maybe it's crashing. Maybe it won't open at all. Before you panic, let's walk through a few things you can check. But first, a quick disclaimer. The information in this video is intended for educational purposes only. Every device, application, and environment is different, so these troubleshooting steps may not apply to every situation. And if you're working on a company-issued device, make sure you're following your organization's policies and procedures and reviewing the application's documentation before making any changes. Now, with that out of the way, let's do some debugging. First, we need to make sure the app is up to date. Developers regularly release updates to fix bugs, improve performance, and patch security issues. If you're running an older version, the app may not function properly. So check your App Store, Google Play Store, Microsoft Store, or the application's update settings. If the application is frozen or behaving strangely, completely close it and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart of the application is enough to clear temporary issues. Some apps require an internet connection to work properly. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you're on a computer, verify that you're connected to the network before assuming the app itself is broken. Still having issues? Try restarting your phone, tablet, or computer. This clears temporary processes and can resolve many common software problems. If your device is running low on storage, apps may crash, freeze, or fail to update. Check your available storage and free up space if needed. If you're using Windows, many applications have a repair option available in settings. If you're using a phone or a tablet, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This can replace corrupted files and restore the application to a working state. If you're receiving an error message, don't ignore it. Take a screenshot or write down exactly what it says. That information can be extremely helpful when troubleshooting or contacting support. If you tried all of these steps and the app still isn't working, it may be time to contact the application support team. And if you're seeing an error message I didn't cover today, drop it in the comments. Someone else may have experienced the same issue and it could become a future debugging episode. Remember, troubleshooting is all about starting with the simplest fixes first. And that's your debugging tip for today. If this video helps you out, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if there's a tech issue, software problem, or troubleshooting topic you'd like to see covered next, drop it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next episode of DeeBugging.